Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you remaining options in window menu. So definitely what I do first I will come in window menu and then I will click on window, and as I click, as you can see that it is showing me all the options of window menu. So definitely we start from layer comp. So what basically layer comps is? So definitely what I do, I will just simply click on layer comps, and as I do, definitely as you can see that right now it is showing me a one panel. What is the work of this panel? Basically it records, or it definitely is records the visibility of our layer. What I mean, I will tell you now. As you can see that right now I have this layer, okay, and definitely I will come here and I will write something like naveedplace.com. Okay, it's fine. And definitely I will change the size of this as well. So first I have to select this and then I have to change the size. As you can see that right now I have one layer, okay, and I will go in the toolbox and I will take a rectangle. As you can see that right now I have the rectangle, and I will off this layer, and again I will go in the toolbox and I will take the help of text tool, and definitely I will change the writing style. Is fine, and you say here Sir Kamran or my, or thanks, okay, thanks, okay. So as you can see there right now I have three layers, okay. Forget about, definitely don't think about background layer, okay. So as you can see there right now I have three layers. Definitely the first layer is basically this layer, definitely thanks layer. Second layer we have definitely rectangle layer, and third layer definitely we have for naveedplace.com. Go to me. So definitely in order to show naveedplace.com, what I need to do, I need to first off this layer, then I have to click on this eye, and then it will show me definitely naveedplace.com. Getting me? So definitely this is a problem, okay. So definitely I will solve this problem with the help of layer comp. So what I do first, as you can see that this definitely this layer is on and this layer also on, visibility is on, and I will come here in layer comp, and definitely here we have the option of create new. So I will click on it, and as you can see that right now it is showing me one window, and definitely in this window I have to first give the name. So I say layer com 1 is fine, and it's asking there what do you want to apply or what do you want to save. I say just save the visibility, position and appearance of this layer. And if I want to give comment, I can also give comment. Right now I don't want to give comments, so I will leave it definitely blank, and I will click on OK, and definitely right now I have one layer comp. Now what I do now, I will now off this layer, and this time I will on this layer, thanks layer, and I will go again in the layer comp, and I will click again on it, and I say this all thing definitely name and everything is fine. I will click on OK, and as you can see that right now I have two layer comps, okay. The first layer comp, if I click on the first layer comp, so what it shows, definitely it shows me definitely the Naveed layer and also rectangle layer. If I click on layer comp 2, so definitely it will show me definitely not Naveed layer but definitely thanks layer. Getting me? So as you can see that definitely what it does definitely is it saves the visibility of the layer. Definitely what I did first I went and definitely first I on definitely this layer, definitely Naveed layer. If I click again on it, so definitely I on this Naveed layer and rectangle layer, and then I went and then I click on create, and it created this. And next time what I did, definitely I on this layer and I on this layer, and I did not on definitely this Naveed layer. Getting me? So definitely with the help of layer comp we can easily definitely save the visibility of any layer. Getting me? So this is the work of layer comp. Here we have some options, so let's see the options of definitely layer comp. So here we have the, for example, if you want to go back or forward, definitely with the help of this you can go. If you want to change the visibility or everything, you can do here. If you want to update, definitely you can also update here. If you want to keep a new, you can also do. And if I, let's say if I want to delete this layer comp, so what I do first I will click on this layer comp 2, and then I will click on this 10 and asking that do you really want to delete. I say I want to delete. I will click on yes, and as you can see that right now we don't have that layer comp anymore. That you mean. So this is the work of layer comp. If I go again in window menu, so then we have the layers panel. If I click on it, as you can see that right now I'm not able to see my layers panel. But if I want to see again, I will go in window and I will click on layers. As you can see that right now it is showing me layers panel. Getting me? Then we have libraries. Definitely it is library. For example, if you have for example, if you want to find anything, if you want to get picture or anything, definitely in library you can get. But for this you have to install first Creative Cloud, definitely, and also you should also have internet connection, okay. Then we have definitely measurement log. Measurement log is very useful. For example, if I take the help of, if I go in toolbox and if I take the help of ruler tool, okay, and if I click and drag, as you can see that with the help of ruler tool I can get the measurement. For example, if I want to see the x portion, y portion, if I want to see the width, height, if I want to see the angle, everything, if I want to see the definitely with the help of definitely ruler tool I can get. But as you can see that right now it is showing me the measurement of this area, getting me. But if I click and drag again, definitely it's showing me the measurement of this area. But as you can see that right now we don't have definitely that area definitely measurement, getting me. So in order to record this measurement, definitely what I do, I will take the help of measurement log panel, and here we have the option of record measurement. So what I do first I will just simply click and drag, and I want to get the measurement of this. So I will click on record. Definitely as you can see that right now it's showing me the label 1, date, everything, source, factor, length, angle, everything. And what I do next, if I just simply click and drag, and if I want to get the definite area of this left side, I will click on record measurement, bottom record measurement, and then record measurement. It's getting me. So with the help of this we can definitely get the measurement. For example, if I want to get the measurement of left area, definitely right area, right side, definitely with the help of this I can record my measurement, getting me. So this is the work of record measurement, and this is the work of measurement log panel, getting me. And if I want to delete any of the record, I can also do. If I just simply click, and if I click on this 10, if I say yes, as you can see that right now we don't have that definite measurement anymore, getting me. So this is the work of this measurement log. So I will close this, and I will go again in window menu. Definitely here we have the definitely navigator. What is mean by navigator? Navigator is nothing, if I talk about myself, I don't use, I don't personally use this, but definitely here we have the options. So I will teach you, I will teach you that what is the work of navigator panel. For example, if I zoom in too much, okay, and let's say if I want to go in here there, definitely with the help of hand tool I can go here and there, getting me. But same thing I can do, if same thing I want to do, so definitely I can also do with the help of navigator pen. If I go in window menu and if I click on navigator, as you can see that right now we have different navigator panel. And definitely here we have the option. For example, if I come here, if I'm using any tool, for example, but as I come in definitely in navigator panel, so it will show me this hand, and with the help of this I can go here and there. For example, if I want to go this side, this side, I can go. If I want to zoom out or zoom in, definitely I can also do, getting. And I can also change the color of this rectangle as well. For example, if I just simply click and drag, as you can see there, I'm getting this rectangle. If I want to change the color of this rectangle, what I do, I will just simply come here, and if I click on this panel options, so here we have the color. For example, if I double click on it, and if I say this color, and if I say okay, and if I say okay, as you can see that right now we have this definite rectangle, red color, getting me. So with the help of navigator we can go here and there, getting me. So same thing we can also do with the help of hand tool as well. Then we have definitely notes panel. For example, if I take the help of definitely note tool, for example, why do we use note? Definitely I explain this in definite note tool the lecture, but definitely I will teach you again that what basically note tool does. For example, if I'm working on this project, okay, and my timing is between 9 to 5, okay, and after me someone else comes getting me. So if I want to leave comment, for example, if I want to leave definitely message to another person, okay, I have done this, okay, now you start from there, okay. So definitely with the help of note tool I can do. For example, if I want to give note, I will click on note tool, and if I click, as you can see that right now we have this notes panel. And for example, if I write here, okay, this work is done, now you should do this work, so I can do, get it. And if I don't definitely if I don't take the help of note tool, but if I want to get the note definitely note panel, so how can I get? If I off this, close this, and if I go in definitely window menu, so here we have the option of notes. As you can see that right now it's showing me notes panel, getting me. So this is the work of notes panel. Then we have the paragraph basic. This is for paragraph. For example, if I take the help of text tool, and if I want to do anything, for example, if I want to change the height, weight, or definitely according to definitely if I want to give left alignment, anything, so definitely in paragraph panel I can do. This is basically for text. Paragraph style same. Pass, definitely if I take the help of pen tool. For example, if I take the help of pen tool, and if I take this shape, okay, so definitely in paths panel, I can see my shape. Getting me? As you can see that right now showing white path. Basically, this is definitely, this shape is showing here. Getting me? So if I want to see my path, so what I do, I will go in window menu and I will click on paths, and as I click, it will show me paths panel. In paths panel, I can see my definitely paths object. Getting me? Then we have the properties. For example, if I select any object, so if I want to get the properties of definitely that object, for example, if I click on text, if I go on rectangle, so definitely if I click on rectangle, so that, as you can see that right now it's showing me the options of rectangle. Getting me? So definitely here we have the properties panel and it shows the properties. Then we have the style panel. Style panel is very useful. Why? I will show you now. So I will close this, and if I take new, and if I go in menu, if I okay, and if I take the help of text tool, okay, it's fine, and I will first select this all, and I will change the size. Okay, it's fine. And for example, if I don't want to use any blending modes, if I don't want to use any for example, if I don't want to use any option, okay, so definitely with the help of style I can apply any style. What I mean, I will show you now. First I will select this layer, and if I come in style panel, so here we have all the styles. For example, if I want to get this style, if I click, and if I click, or I should do zoom in so that you can see. So you can see that now I'm getting a style on my text. Getting me? For example, if I want to get this style, this style, this style, this style, I can getting me. For example, if I want to get more, so I will click on this, and here it's showing me all the styles. For example, if I want this dotted stroke, and if I click OK, so you can see that right now we have different style. Getting me? So with the help of this, we can get the style, ready-made style, we can say. Getting me? So you don't need to go in blending options, so you don't need to go in any option. Just simply click, just simply select that layer, and definitely and just come in styles panel and just simply click on any style, and if you will get that style. Getting me? You can also apply any style, this definitely on definitely rectangle as well. For example, if you have this, and if I want to apply this style to definitely this object, so I will go in, and if I simply press button, if I say okay, and if I simply click, as you can see that I'm not getting a style. Getting me? And also getting definitely options here, for example, bevel and emboss. Getting me? So you don't need to go and you don't need to create by your own. You have to just simply come in style panel and just simply click, and you will get the styles. Getting me? Then what do we have next? We have swatches panel. You may be familiar with swatches panel. Swatches panel definitely allows us to select any color. For example, if I double click on it, and for example, if I don't find my favorite color, if for example, if I don't find my any color, for example, if I don't like any color, or for example, if I want to get any color, so what I do, I will come in swatches panel, and if I just simply click, and you will get that color in different or you can say foreground. For example, if I like this color, if I just simply click, and as you can see that right now it's showing me that color in foreground. Getting me? And if I want to get more colors, I will just simply click on it, and as you can see that right now showing me all the options. For example, if I say okay, as you can see that now I have this colors. Getting me? So definitely this is the work of swatches panel. And definitely not only we can use swatches for what we can say, swatches for for getting color. For example, if I want to save any color, so I can also use swatches for this job as well. For example, if I take any picture, for example, let's say okay, I have this picture. Okay, double click on it, and if I get the picture, okay, and if I want to get the picture, for example, if I want to save for example this laptop's color, so what I do, I will go in a toolbox, and I will click on eyedropper, and if I click, as you can see that right now it is showing me that color in definitely this color in definitely in foreground. For example, if I want to save this color, so what I do, I will double click on it, and if I click on add to swatches, and now it's asking me that okay, give the name. So I say that Naveed is fine, or Naveed 123, and if I click on OK, and as you can see that right now we have definitely that color. Getting me? So for example, if I want to save this any color, so with the help of swatches, definitely I can save. Getting me? So in swatches we can also save color as well. Then we have the timeline. Definitely this panel is basically for animation. If you want to learn if you want to learn more about timeline, so you should watch my video on animation. Getting me? So basically this is for animation. Then we have tool preset. For example, if I want to get a tool preset, I can also get, not very important. Then we have the option. For example, if you see here, definitely under definitely menu, definitely after menu, as you can see that right now showing me this option, getting me. So for example, if I don't want to see this line, so I will come in window, and if I click on if I uncheck, or if I click again on, or if I click on options, as you can see that now we don't have that option. For example, if I go again, if I said I don't need tools, now it's showing not, it is not showing me in tools, getting me. If I want again my options, if I want again my tools, I will click, and then definitely will give me back. Then we have definitely showing me definite documents. As you can see that right now I have 1 and 2 documents, getting me. So if I want to switch my documents, so I can also switch my document in window. For example, if I just simply click on it, and as you can see that right now it's showing me this untitled 1 - 1 document. If I go and if I simply say that this document, so now it's showing me this document, getting me. So this is the work of definitely this option. So definitely this was lecture on window menu. I hope you've understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedpalace.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.